The first method is to insert a table directly from the ribbon. This approach allows you to visually select the number of rows and columns, which makes it quick and simple to customize the table's size. Start by placing your cursor where you want the table to appear. Then navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon and look for the table's group. Click the Table button and a drop-down menu will appear. Move your cursor over the grid to highlight the number of rows and columns you want. As you hover, Word shows a live preview of the table in your document. Once you've selected the desired layout, left-click to insert the table. This grid lets you select up to 8 rows and 10 columns. If you need more precise control or want a larger table, you can use the Insert Table dialog box. Place the cursor at the location for the table, go back to the Insert tab, and click the Table button. From the drop-down menu, choose Insert Table. In the dialog box, you can specify the exact number of rows and columns by using the up and down arrows. You can also adjust settings such as Auto-Fit Behavior, which controls whether your table adjusts to fit content or window size, and select a style for the table during insertion. Click OK and your table will be added exactly as specified. The third method is to draw your own table, which is ideal if you need custom shapes or non-standard layouts. Place the cursor where you want the table, go to the Insert tab, click the Table button and select Draw Table from the menu. The cursor will change to a pencil, allowing you to draw the outline of your table directly in the document. Click and drag to create the table's structure, then release the mouse button to finish.